Have you ever stopped to consider the real impact of your current diet on your health? It's easy to get caught up in the hustle and bustle of life, often forgetting to analyze the fuel we put in our bodies. What if you could make a change that not only benefits your health, but also respects our planet? Today, we invite you to open your mind to the concept of a plant-based diet. No judgment, just facts and understanding. It's time to explore how a plant-based diet can transform your health and lifestyle. But first, please remember to like this video, subscribe to the channel and turn on your notifications. And check out the video description for the latest plant-based resources. Now let's get started. Picture this, a diet rich in colourful fruits, vegetables, grains and legumes. Imagine your plate, vibrant and bursting with the natural hues of plant-based foods. But this is more than just a feast for the eyes. It's a banquet of benefits for your body. The health advantages of a plant-based diet are numerous and impressive. For starters, it can significantly reduce the risk of chronic diseases such as diabetes, cancer, and heart disease. This is because plant foods are naturally low in saturated fat, high in fiber, and packed with antioxidants. But the benefits don't stop there. A plant-based diet can also contribute to weight loss. High-fiber foods like fruits, vegetables, and whole grains can help you feel fuller for longer, curbing those mid-afternoon snack cravings. Furthermore, a plant-based diet can boost your energy levels. When your body is fueled by the right nutrients, you'll find yourself less susceptible to those midday slumps and more ready to seize the day. And let's not forget about skin health. A diet rich in plant-based foods provides your skin with the vitamins and minerals it needs to stay healthy and glowing. So, from improving heart health to promoting radiant skin, the power of plants is undeniable. And these are just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to the benefits of a plant-based diet. You might be thinking, but where do I get my protein from? It's a common question and a myth we need to debunk. Many people think that a plant-based diet can lead to a protein deficiency. However, this is far from the truth. In fact, many plant foods are rich in protein. Take lentils and chickpeas, for instance, they are packed with protein. Other options include quinoa, tofu, and even green peas. Another common myth is the lack of variety in a plant-based diet. But let me assure you, there's a world of variety out there in the plant kingdom. From delicious fruits and vegetables to hearty grains and legumes, there are countless ways to mix and match these ingredients for a tasty and nutritious meal. And what about the myth that a plant-based diet is expensive? That's another misconception we need to address. While certain plant-based products can be pricier, there's a wide range of affordable options. Think about basic staples like rice, beans, lentils, and potatoes. These are not only cheap, but also nutritious and filling. To add to this, seasonal fruits and vegetables are generally less expensive and are bursting with flavor and nutrients. So, with a little bit of planning and creativity, a plant-based diet can be both budget-friendly and delicious. So as you can see, a plant-based diet is not just feasible, but also incredibly beneficial and diverse. Ultimately, the choice to change your diet is a personal one. And this choice can be an exciting journey, an exploration of new flavors, and a celebration of health and vitality. It's not about drastically overhauling your diet overnight, but about making small, consistent changes that can lead to big results over time. Consider the humble apple. It's a simple, everyday fruit, yet packed with fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants. Incorporating an apple into your daily routine might seem like a small step, but it's a step towards embracing plant-based foods. Now imagine scaling that up, swapping out a meat-based main course for a vibrant, nutrient-dense vegetable stir-fry, choosing whole grain bread over white, opting for a handful of nuts as a snack instead of a bag of chips. These are small decisions that can add up, gradually transforming your diet and your health. But here's the key. It's about informed choice. It's about understanding the impact of your decisions on your health and being empowered to make the choices that serve you best. It's about exploring, experimenting, and finding what works for you. So, start small. Start today. Add more fruits, vegetables, grains, and legumes to your meals. Embrace the power of plants, not out of obligation, but out of a desire for better health and well-being. Remember, it's not about perfection, but making conscious choices for your health and well-being. Going vegan has never been so easy. Take the 1-month vegan challenge and get a copy of the Plant-Based Recipe Cookbook by clicking the link in the description. Thanks for watching.